Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we're gonna learn simple Canva animated product slideshow tutorial for creative video ads. And for us to be able to get started, just head onto your canva.com first and then choose in a video template. So since we're already in here, let's just choose the color background of our design in here. So for this one, let's try to choose something that matches our style. So for example, I want to use this one. So let's choose that. And then right after, the next thing that we need to do is to go ahead and choose in our product. So we're going to head here onto elements. But if you have your own product onto your end, just simply upload that one here onto uploads so that you could use that. But for this one, for this tutorial, we're going to use a sample image in here. So for example, we're trying to do this for a lipstick. So just search a lipstick in here and you should be able to find in different options that we could use. So let's try to choose graphics in here or photos. So for example, we're going to use this one. So we're going to add this one here, make this bigger, and then let's add in a text. Here onto the left side, add a heading, and then we're going to go ahead and type in here, lipstick. So we'll try to change the color and the font for this one. So for the font, let's try to change it to another font in here, which is this one. And then let's try to make this one really big. So it should go ahead and show something like this. Right click onto this, click onto layer, and then let's send this to back. So let's make this one smaller and it should look like this. Now right after, let's add in some squares in here. So let's remove this one out. Now let's try to choose the square in here. So let's choose this one, the basic square. We're gonna align this one here, over here. So let's try to move this one first. Let's make this smaller, just like that. We're gonna go ahead and click onto layer, send this backward, and then we'll group both of this. So let's try to change the color of this one first. So let's try to change that one here. And then we're gonna also change the transparency for that. Just click onto the three dots onto the upper right and click onto transparency, and then we'll lower down until 0. So we're gonna group this two. Let's put it back again here. And we're gonna do the same thing for the lipstick. So we're gonna go ahead and try to change the color for that and also adjust its transparency to 0. And then we're gonna group this too. Then right after, what we need to do is to head back here onto elements and then choose in this circle, this big one. We're gonna change the color of this one first, choose in another color like this one. And then right after, let's make this really big. And then right after, let's right click onto this, adjust its layer. So let's click onto show all layers in here. And then we'll add this one here, right before the lipstick. So it should go ahead and look something like this. And then right after, let's go ahead and try to right click onto this and duplicate this page. Let's head back onto the first page in here. And what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and try to hide this. So make sure that the box that we have created in here will overlap this, and then also do the same thing for the lipstick, just like that. So it should go ahead and look something like this. And then right after, on page 2, we'll try to duplicate this page again. Now this time, what we need to do is we're going to go ahead and try to resize some things in here. So we're going to try to move this one here onto the middle part. Let's make this one smaller, just like that. And then right after, let's right click, click onto the layer for this one. And then we're gonna go ahead and bring this one forward. So we're gonna make this one smaller as well, since for this one, we're gonna go ahead and make the circle smaller as well, just like this. So it should go ahead and look something like this right after. Then we'll try to right click onto this and duplicate this again. Then we'll try to readjust the positions as well again in here. Let's make this one here. And this one, the circle, let's move this one here onto the left side. And for the lipstick, let's move this one here, make this bigger, and it should look something like this. Then we'll try to add in another text in here. So let's right click onto that. Let's just copy this and paste this. And then let's add in sale. You could try to change the color for this one or the font. So just choose in which one you prefer, and it should go ahead and look something like this. So we're just gonna add an animation for this one. Go ahead and try to use baseline for that. And then right after, let's add in some transitions here. Let's make this one shorter, 3 seconds, adjust its durations, and then just hover here onto the middle part, add transition, and we're gonna use match and move for this. So we're gonna apply this one all between the pages in here, and let's click onto the last page and onto this one. Let's right click onto this to show the timing for this one, and then we'll try to readjust this over here. Now, if you do a quick preview, this is how our video looks like. And that is just basically it, how you create an animated product slideshow in Canva for creative video ads. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.